Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Roblox crash. Let's start. First of all, open the Applications section. Find the Roblox app. Right-click the Roblox app and move it to Trash. Now, go into the Trash application and delete Roblox from here as well. Now open your browser and go to the roblox.com website. Choose any game and click on it. Now click on the play icon. Click on Download and install Roblox. Wait for Roblox to get downloaded. Open the Roblox Player installer. Wait for it to complete. Now your Roblox has been fixed. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.